Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, we will be covering the playlist and we will be continuing with the playlist of career guidance. As you are aware, in this playlist, we are taking the queries from the people who are not having that much familiarity with how to create a career, how to get into the IT industry, or they have many such questions which are pertaining to their career. So we are giving free of cost career guidance to those people. Also, it is recorded. So if any other person is also having the same question, but because of shyness or some other thing, they are not able to come forward, so they can view this video and they can get an update from that. In this video also, we would be covering one real-time question related to the career which has come on our channel itself. It came in the comment section of one of the video. So we will be answering that particular query. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Share the link of this YouTube video on the LinkedIn and tag me if possible. That's it. You don't have to pay anything for all these things. So let me share my screen. Okay. So this is a comment that has come, right? So it says, "Hi sir, this is Rajalakshmi from Bangalore. I am 2015 passed out. I am interested on testing profile. I don't know which course I want to learn. Which course I have to learn, it seems. No guidance. I don't know much about IT sector. I am a married mother of two child. I need job, sir. So please, anybody guide me. I have been learning manual testing last 2 months. Should I learn SQL and Java, Selenium, Python as well? Please give me reply. I am confused. Uh, she needs to crack the interview within 6 months. So, okay, there is some timeline that she has. And this is not with respect to only Raja Lakshmi, but I think everyone has got some timeline in their minds that they have to get the job in 2 or 3 months, right? 2023 had been very, complex, confusing. People lost their jobs. There were many layoffs, but if you see 2024, definitely a lot of opportunities would be coming. So now uh, you are passed out of 2015, Rajalakshmi. So the very first thing that comes to the mind is, what did you do 8 years, right? 8 years is a big time. Were you working in a non-IT field? Were you working in some kind of a BPO call center? Or you were not working at all? Maybe you were housewife, or maybe, as you are telling, you are a married mother of two child, maybe you were raising them, right? So maybe you are having a career gap. So let's drill down all these aspects one by one, and then let's come to the conclusion. Okay, if anyone is passed out of 2015, it has been 8 years, so it is very difficult to get a job into the QA testing field until and unless you have a very strong reference. So when I say strong reference, so what does that mean? So that means you have some person, some of your friend, some of your colleagues, some of your connection, some person in your network who is working in a good company, and there is an opening in his or her XYZ company, and he or she refers you in their company. That is one of the possibility that can happen to get your job after 8 years of passing out, right? Second thing is, you are learning testing, right? And then you are writing, you don't know which course to learn. So then you have asked, should I learn SQL? So yes, SQL is very important. In SQL, basically you will be learning how to fire the queries when you are doing database testing, or you want to test anything with respect to records that are present in the database or not. So SQL is very necessary. You should learn that. Java, Selenium, Python as well. So learn either Java with Selenium or learn Python with Selenium. Don't learn Java and Python both together, otherwise you will get confused. Learn one of the programming language, but learn it by heart. Give it your 100%, because the questions would be asked to you with respect to programming languages. If you are mentioning those things in your CV, you might be asked to write the Java programming interview questions. You might be asked to write Java programs, Java coding related questions. So be prepared for those things. Um, The third aspect is we are uploading jobs on our channel, that is RD Automation Learning as well as RD Technical Learning. So you can apply to those jobs directly, right? And within 6 months, I have to crack the interview. So if possible, give the mock interview on our channel, which is related to the software testing. You can give mock interview related to the core Java, and you and we also will come to know what is the level of the knowledge that you have, right? And which are the areas where you have to improve, which are the areas where you have to do revision, which are the areas where you are confident with. So that's where the mock interviews would help you. And the last thing is within 6 months, I have to crack the interview. So don't come under such kind of stress. Please don't take so much of pressure, right? Because what would happen if you will have all those stress going on? So there will be a lot of thoughts that will be bombarded in your mind. And in an interview, you need to be calm, you need to be composed so that you are able to recall the answers to the questions which they are asking. So don't take stress of getting a job. Give your best in learning all these concepts, in giving the interview at the 100%. Do your best at that, and rest all leave to the God. Definitely, God will help you out if you do hard work, right? So, this is my opinion. And as you are passed out in 2015, so definitely you would be asked question about those 8 years. If you are from non-IT, then you can tell why you want to switch from non-IT to IT, because you are passionate about softwares. You are more keen on testing on QA side from QA front, right? If you are working as a fresher, that means you haven't worked after 2015. So you can give due to the personal reason you took career gap. So that's how you will have to deal with this situation, right? So this is how you will have to move in your career ahead, and if possible, get one non-technical job by the time you get the proper testing job, right? So that's it, Raju Lakshmi. Wish you all the best for your career. Meanwhile, other people who are watching this video, I would request you to share your queries related to the career with us, and we will be answering them. We will be responding them as soon as possible, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.